Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about why you should avoid using automated uploaders in print on demand. And I'm also going to give you some alternative methods for uploading print on demand products effectively without having to rely on automated uploaders that may get your account basically banned and flagged for a lot of different issues. So have you heard of automated uploaders for print on demand? These are basically software solutions that promise to simplify the uploading process, but are they really worth it? And in this video, I'll dive into the risks of using automated uploaders and also provide you with some alternative methods to help you to automate your print on demand workflow. So what are the risks to do with using automated uploaders? I know it's really risky, but at the same time it gives off the idea that it will save you time, and just the idea of anything automated in regards to print on demand sounds like wow, but really you got to be careful because automated uploaders do sound appealing. They promise a lot of effortless uploading, minimal effort on your part. However, there is significant drawbacks to consider, starting with, first of all, it is prohibited by print-on-demand platforms because most print-on-demand websites explicitly ban automated uploader use. Using tools such as automated uploaders can violate platform policies and put your account at risk of being banned. Number two, they're clunky and they're very costly. Automated uploaders often come with a high price tag, and most of these are subscription based as well, so they will continue to grab money from your wallet for months and months on end, adding to your expenses. Additionally, these tools may not offer the flexibility, they may not offer the customization options that you need to optimize your designs for different products. So what are the alternative methods for effective uploading? Fortunately, there are alternative methods that allow you to upload multiple designs quickly and efficiently without relying on automated uploaders. So number one is, in terms of the tips and strategies, we've got standardize your design dimensions. So ensure that all of your designs meet to the exact dimensions. This can really help to streamline your uploading process. Use design templates with consistent dimensions in order to maintain uniformity across your network. And this usually applies, for example, if you are creating sticker-based designs, make sure that all your sticker-based designs are within the dimensions that will really help to make the uploading and the editing process on the platform much more quicker and easier as well. Number two, organize reusable tags and descriptions. I want you to go ahead and prioritize reusable tags and descriptions that apply to a wide variety of designs. Start with a universal tag and keywords, such as, for example, the keyword vintage, followed by specific variations like city names or themes, for example. And this approach saves you time and it ensures consistency in your listings. And number three, utilize Word templates for product details. So create Word templates that include product titles, descriptions, and other details that remain consistent across multiple designs. Here you can easily customize, you can easily update these elements for each new design by pre-formatting them in a Word document and then copying and pasting them, making some small edits, and that really does save you a lot of time and a lot of energy, and it will also help to somehow not automate but streamline the workflow of uploading print-on-demand designs and content. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.